they will present the challenge this afternoon at the place of the Basel. If everyone of them, they will give the wisdom and knowledge to do their parts. Father, as we continue our event this afternoon, Lord, let us be to move with our business this afternoon. Lord, that Satan's devils coming to meet us about this Lord.
Her welcome address and opening remarks. Let's welcome this morning, Grace Depositario. Please give him a round of applause.
Okay, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to the SAS Music Center, first music recital here in Tagbilaran, Bohol. I'm honored to share with you our story. So, since 2005, SAS Music Center has provided exceptional music education, starting with private lessons for foreign and private school students. Under the guidance of our founder and music directress, Mrs. Selma Depositario, we've empowered over 1,000 of students across Cebu, Bacolod, and different parts of Leyte. Many have excelled both locally and internationally, establishing music studios, forming bands in different countries, and pursuing music degrees. Following the pandemic, elementary school. Tao Elementary School. Tao Elementary School. Tao Elementary School. And Tawala Elementary School. I am sure your parents are proud. And we are also proud to feature selected students from the private class who will be having their own music recital next year. Allow me to introduce Matthew Holly. Is Matthew Holly around? And we also have Isabel Dalmandi and Eliza Bisnal. Once again, thank you for your presence and your support. And now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. To God be the glory.
Visayas, talagang the best ng Bohol. So, napamako sa akin ng Bohol. You know, I think that was the year 2002. Nandito rin po tayo sa aming pong first commencement exercise ng before po, nagpunto tayo ng kindergarten. Siguro yung mga kailang po ng before, diba? No, was our learning center dito po sa Dato ng Buhay. But naitulong po yan dahil po sa pandemic. And then, bago na po siguro si Mrs. at nasa po yung aming kindergarten. But again, na-amaze po ako this afternoon. No? Thank you po sa pag-invite sa aming pong mga kaibigan, sa pastor, sa Magdama, sa kanilang pong music center, first musical recital. So, nagulang po ako.
Mr. and Mrs. Depositario and family. Congratulations for the first Music Center